Welcome back, guys. Crypto4Life channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for MultiversX EGLD USDT trading pair with my customer Chris. What's going on now? Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I don't think so. We're gonna hit the new all-time high. One take. Second one, most crazy possible scenarios. It's absolutely still the same zone. So, guys, I highly recommend you go and check the first video about this token. 277, 327. Why? Because here 28,440,000 tokens in circular supply. So yes, it's good. 90% tokens in circular supply. Unlock it. $16 price, but this one 28,440,000. So let's say 300. 8.5 billion market capitalization. It is possible, yes, of course. And the highest point was like around here, like 9.8 billion market capitalization at here at $543. I think we're gonna hit, and it's possible to see that targets like 214, 277, 327. It was a it's, by the way, the crypto EGLD USD crypto, all these charts since June 19. If we double check on the Binance here, it's since September 20. I mark that time the potential downtrend, you know, with this one, with triangles, you know, like people love draw these triangles. Let's adjust it here, this one and the second one. I don't think so, you know, we're gonna drop much lower because we're already in 27 block if we count from this FIB since April 21, drop, bounce, and consolidate. But I rather check the oldest chart, so this one, and take a look where we stop. Let's adjust, by the way, the FIB with a magnet. Oh, it's adjusted. Here we landed inside 27 block here, and I mark the gap. So it was a monthly gap. This one, it's December 2020. So here was a COVID dump, and we drop here, test almost still penny in February 2025 equilibrium. So we close 50% of this gap, and now almost fulfill. Fulfill was like $10.35. So can we drop to another monthly gap, which will leave it here June and June, between the May 2020, June, June? Maybe, but I don't think so. Maybe next bear market, yes, but not now. So we already basically close the monthly gap. Here was an actual lows already done. Above, we got actual highs. I already also explained it. When you see some formation like this one here, drop, we bounce at 50%. For example, drop, bounces over the equilibrium. Now we form the same story. So the bounce should be to yearly open and the test of 18 level by FIB and the test equilibrium 35, 34. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to $4 or lower. It's possible, yes, but I don't think so. After that, guys, we need to break this structure, this one high, and this structure. Close the monthly gap. So remind the targets. So here, yearly open, first one, 33. Logical zone, we're more than okay to see the reaction. So if you accumulate it at $15, for example, now at 30 at the test of yearly open will be not a mistake to withdraw your initial deposit. One take. After that, we need to break the structure high of 58, sweep the actual highs, close the monthly gap, one take, and the end of cycle for this token can be here, 277, 327. And I don't think so. We for sure will hit this target. I can't be sure. So it's kind of big capitalization. But of course, everything possible. Everything possible in crypto. Also, about this project, I'm not diving into fundamental, but I hear a lot of like some partnerships, some utility. They even trying join the meme sector. They I even lost the money with the bobber. Maybe 1 week, this meme token hype it, and I lost the money. And nobody traded the meme tokens with this with this coin. All right, so they pretend like a utility token, highly scalable, secure, and decentralized blockchain network with Uzi Labs on the board. Sounds good, right? But guys, who cares about this? Who cares about the fundamental if the Uzi Labs, it's Binance. They bought this token like 6 years ago at 50 cents. That's why I'm more than sure the most positive case scenario, if we're going to hit this target, for example, maybe this one is going to be the top of the top. In the next bear market, we're going to drop to the private token sale round. Yes, guys, because a lot of tokens will never hit again the new all-time high. If you believe and wait the new all-time high for this token with the crazy capitalization, like $800, here it is. So 22, almost 23 billion market capitalization. If you believe in it, you can wait. I don't think so. We're going to hit this target, guys. Nothing new, nothing special around this token, unfortunately. And now we are around the 50% of 27 block here. So it's not random, guys. Take a look. We stop it and now try and break the 50% of equilibrium of this zone. Usually this is a zone of accumulation. So just in case, guys, crash, of course, possible even to $4 to close the another monthly gap and fulfill. Possible. But you take a risk or not. Nobody knows the future. So be ready. I'm not a fan of this token, right? For me, it looks like some old token, but without a great marketing. I in my feed, in social, I never hear and never see any posts about the EGLD. That's why I build a more conservative price target. So a monthly gap, and this is zone like 277, 327. Take a look now with indicator set, guys. Here's a trade on. Sell, equal highs, buy back. So step by step, yes, of course, the whales accumulate. The crucial moment is to break the structure at $56.62 and hit the 112. That's it. Take a look. Opens, yearly open, I showed you. ADZ, I can show you because it's a global ticker. Here was the time to sell. Here's the accumulation. So the whale step by step accumulated back. It's okay. Here, the last accumulation was here, and we saw the pump. November 24, from 21, we pump it to 58. Once again, so the whales usually the fix 100% profit. They not like a fixed profit. They withdraw initial deposit. After that, the token dump and they accumulate more. So they got a free tokens and now they accumulate again. So I'm more than sure we will see the rejection at 35 and they will withdraw initial deposit again. So imagine when you control the market, you can accumulate as much as possible, just totally free tokens because you know where to in, when to out, because you control this market. Kind of weird. Weekly accumulation was here. Here's a money outflow. Here's a MACD bullish divergence. It's good. It's bullish. It's bullish one. Last time when we saw the MACD bullish divergence, it was September 23 at $24. They take profit market mode. Here was disbelief, and now we're in disbelief. So globally, it's okay. Time for accumulation. Take profit line. Now it's $48.13. Here's how it playing out in history. And, it's hard. Monthly time frame, we are capitulated here. And long-term period now since December 24, trading capitulation zone. So nobody care about the EGLD. So one more time, guys, I hope market already recover back, because if not, the dump can be even to $5, $4. That's why I hope to see the impulsive move now on this stock into the yearly open. After that, these gaps. Globally, yes, we are underrated and trade under fundamental value. Fundamental value is 1739. take profit 20, buy line 23.27, take profit 46.35, exit line 52.23. Guys, all targets I showed you. If you would like to trade with my customer cassette, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Highly recommend you guys build a realistic price targets for each token, and highly recommend you go and check an educational proposal, the main bull run plan video for this token. See you next. Don't forget, Joe Matecom channel. See you next time, guys.